Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial we have add image preview function and dummy images in the setting form for tutorial project. As you can see, when we will click, it will update it into the relevant field. In this tutorial we are going to create a model which we will send to the controller. So we need to fill information here and process with the help of model. Okay, and these are the information, these are the title, description, email, and etc. Okay, now we need to create a model. How we will create a model? We will come here, create var model is equal this. Now here we will add fields and their relative values. Copy from setting, come here, paste that, remove this, okay. Now align them, okay. Remove this and place semicolon and this, colon and this. Okay, right after this we have to place some value. This is the dummy model which you have right now. How it will process? Copy this and paste here in the console. And now I will call model, and here you can see it's become a JSON which we will send to the controller. We need to now populate these values. So how we can populate these values? We have IDs by which we can fetch information, like if it is a front end logo, then we have this dot attribute dot source. Copy this, place for backend logo, and copy this and place for feature image I. Now we need to identify the title. Okay, rename these. This is page title, page description, blog page count, admin email. Page title dot text, page description dot text, and same here as admin email dot text and blog page count dot text. Now copy once again this, refresh, and click console and paste here after filling the information. home page, title, description, email 22, and now I will click enter. Process model, and here you can see this is the information we have. Here you can see. Okay, so this is the information right now we have, but page title is not worked. I don't know why it's work. Oh yes, we don't need to get text, we need to get val. Okay, that's it, and other things are done. We just need to take text into val, and val. So we are done with the model. In the next tutorial we will process this with the controller. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.